Okay, so let's start with our next chapter, which is job and contract costing. So it is mix of two concepts, job costing and contract costing. In job costing, you are not going to, you don't have to do anything new. We have already learned this. We just have to prepare cost sheet for each job. So we'll see that later. First, we'll focus on this contract. Again, before we start, can anyone tell me whether these are methods of costing or techniques of costing? Methods, correct, right? These are methods of costing. That means these can be used in particular industries. For example, if you remember from first chapter, job costing is generally, I don't know इसको क्या हुआ, hang हो रहा है video. Just a second. Okay, so job costing is generally used in which industries? Anyone?
Service industry.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Service industry.
Service industry, okay. Job costing means what? Where the product or our service is in particular jobs. Jobs means each job is different. Each customer's needs are customized. Different needs. So not necessarily in all service industries job costing will be used, but in some of them it can be used. I agree. So can anyone give me specific example?
Interior.
Okay, good. Interior decorations or something. So interior designing or something where job costing can be used because each job is different. Anyone else? Anything? Fast. Only one.
Any specific task?
For completion of any specific task. As in, I just want an example of any specific type of company where there are, think from this point of view where each job is different, each order is different.
Jewelry design.
Okay, good. Jewelry can be an example. Jewelry designing or something like that.
App designing.
Sorry, can you repeat?
App designing.
Designing of what?
App designing.
App designing. Okay, good.
App.
Good. App development can be an example.
So furniture.
Furniture can be an example because generally all jobs are customized. Printing can be an example because each printing job will be customized. Right, fine. And contract costing is generally used where, if you remember from first chapter, contract costing is nothing but job costing only, but it is for jobs which go over more than 1 year, over multiple periods. So where is it used generally? Construction. Right. So infrastructure, building bridges, then maybe if someone is building a ship or a plane, it might take more than 1 year. So in such cases contract costing may be used. Right. So generally when someone takes a contract for a job which goes over 1 year, we use contract costing. First we are going to focus on this, then we are going to go to job costing because job costing is very easy. You don't have to do anything new in that. Contract costing is also easy. It is just a simple contract account we have to prepare, but just we'll understand some terminologies and concepts. So let's start with contract costing. First of all, can you tell me what will be some issues in contract costing which will be different than, see, up to now we have seen service costing, process costing, then I guess you have finished. No, unit batch you have not finished, fine, but service costing and process costing you have finished. So can you tell me in contract costing what will be special, what will be different? Let's say let's say we are a contractor and someone has given us a contract to construct a building. So what will be special in this as compared to other methods? Anyone?
सर ओव्हर कॉस्ट एकच कॉन्ट्रॅक्टमध्ये म्हणजे स्प्रेड करायची गरज नसते.
Okay, so like process costing, we don't have to spread cost over multiple processes or something. That is what you want to say, right?
येस सर.
Correct. So all cost, whatever will incur, will be for this building. Fine. Correct. Then what else?
बाकीचं ते एका पिरियडसाठी काढतो म्हणजे एका इयरसाठी
Correct.
करतो आपण.
Correct.
मोर दॅन 1 year असते त्यामुळे मग कॅल्क्युलेशन.
Correct. Good. So there will be generally more than one periods. Generally yes, more than 1 years. Fine. What else?
Means everything is dedicated cost and all is only for building only, right?
We should consider all the costs which are dedicated, which are incurred for that building only. Fine, agreed. Correct. Anything else? That will be an issue for us. While see, understand, if it is going to go more than one periods, that means there will be one issue at year end. What? If we have to break it in between, then there will be one specific issue at year end. What? We'll have to do something at year end and then again do something at beginning of next year. What?
Closing, opening.
Very good. There will be some work in progress, right? WIP.
Right.
So we'll have to deal with the WIP also. Fine. Now understand, building is also just a job only. Is it correct?
Yes.
If we ignore concept of years, if we ignore concept of periodicity, let's say this building is going to be constructed in 3 years. So can we just do this? For 3 years, for entire 3 years, we'll directly take sales, then we'll directly subtract costs and we'll directly get profit. I mean, we'll divide the cost between overheads, selling overheads, admin overheads and so on. So can we just prepare a cost sheet directly, ideally, for entire 3 years?
Yes, sir.
Fine. But we will not do this. Why? We'll do this year by year. Why? Why will we not prepare cost sheet for entire 3 years, entire period?
Because in every year there will be a different WIP, right?
There will be a different WIP. But if we consider for entire 3 years, understand. Let's say there is no concept of years or months. Let's say entire 3 years is one period. Then there is no question of WIP. We'll just start work and finish work, right? In fact, it will be easier then. We don't even need to consider WIP. So why will not do this? Why will we prepare it for each year separately? Why will we prepare it for each year separately? Anyone? Oh, sorry. I'm asking, why will we not prepare a cost sheet like this for entire 3 years? Because then we don't have to deal with WIP, we don't have to deal with anything. We'll just write sales minus cost profit, that's it. But we are not going to do this. We are going to prepare for each year separately. Why? Anyone? Any idea? Okay.
सर रिटर्न फाईल करावी म्हणजे ना every year.
Okay, for income tax and for accounting purposes we'll need it. Fine, agreed. For income tax and accounting purposes we cannot do it for entire period, we have to do it year by year. Okay. Other than that, any reason? In costing we don't just do accounting, right? Any other reason? Tell me, in costing do we also prepare budgets?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we also calculate variances?
Yes.
We also estimate costs, we also estimate profits and so on, right? If consider a case of a building, in case of building the cost is huge and there are a lot of uncertainties. So if we do this for entire 3 years, do you think it is going to be useful?
No.
No. If we predict something, if we prepare a budget today, do you think it will be valid after 3 years?
No, sir.
No. So ideally, can I say we should break it down to small periods? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ideally a month,
Yes.
ideally month or quarter. But generally in our questions we are going to have it for 1 year, so yearly basis. So generally in our questions we are going to have to do this on yearly basis. So that is why we'll prepare this cost sheet on yearly basis. So year 1, year 2, year 3. Like in year 1 we'll start the work. End of year 1 there will be some closing WIP that will go in year 2. Then end of year 2 there will be some another different closing WIP that will go in year 3, and in year 3 it will be completed. Does everyone agree?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now that is what we have to do. So we just have to prepare a cost sheet, but the only difference is we are not going to prepare it in cost sheet format. We are going to prepare it in ledger account format. That's it. So we have to prepare ledger account for contract. So we are going to prepare contract account generally on yearly basis. That's all. This entire chapter is only contract account, nothing else. Very simple chapter, but just you have to understand some terminologies and concepts. Okay. So let's start with this. Let's take a small example and tell me if you understand. Okay, just a second. Okay, so now let's take this example. Now this example is going to be covering everything, all terminologies in this chapter. So very important example. Don't note it down right now, note it down later. Let's say, first of all, someone has given us a contract. Someone has given us a contract to construct a building. In this case, we will be called as what? We have taken the contract, so we'll be called as builder, or in terms of contract, contractor, right?
Contractor.
Contractor. And the person who is giving the contract will be called as
Contractee.
contractee, right? So let's say contractee has given us a contract to construct a building in, let's say, 3 years. Total cost of that building is rupees, let's say, total amount that we are going to get from contractee is, let's say, rupees 1 crores. That is 100 lakhs. Do you think he will give immediately?
No.
No, right? Okay. When will he give then?
After completion.
But after completion, will we accept that everything will be given after completion 3 years?
No.
No, right? That means ideally he should give it to us in parts.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Fine. Now concentrate very carefully. Let's say our estimated cost. Our estimated cost of this contract is, let's say, rupees 80 lakhs. That means how much is the profit estimated?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs. Obviously this is going to change, right? So this is not going to remain constant, but let's say For our example, let's keep it constant, that we are assuming that 80 lakhs will be our cost, 20 lakhs will be our profit. Fine. Now let's see how it will work logically. Think about year 1. Let's say in year 1 we started work and we did some work, and we incurred cost of rupees, let's say 20 lakhs. We incurred cost of rupees 20 lakhs. Let's assume that our estimated cost is still 80 lakhs. Nothing has changed. For theoretically, only for this example, let's assume that out of 80 lakhs we have already incurred 20 lakhs in first year. That means, can you tell me how much project we have completed in year 1? Percentage, in percentage.
25%.
25%. Does everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. How do we get the 25%? 20 lakhs out of 80 lakhs. That is 25% is completed. Fine, 25% is completed. Okay. So ideally, from that contractee we should get how much amount after end of first year?
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs. Anyone else? 25 lakhs, do you agree?
Yes, sir. 25%.
Correct. Because 25% we have completed, so 25% of 100 lakhs we should get ideally. Fine. Correct. But okay, before going there, let me just write it in a contract account then. Or no, let me write it here. Whatever is cost incurred, what will we do with that? Where will we write it? This is like a P&L account of contract, right? So where will we write that cost incurred?
Debit side.
Debit to cost incurred, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Next, now concentrate carefully. Now, we told him, okay, we told the contractee that, okay, we have incurred 20 lakhs rupees cost. So that is 25%, so pay us 25%. Do you think contractee is directly going to agree to that? That okay, I'll pay you 25%.
No.
No. Just because we say 25%, he will directly pay 25%. That is not going to happen. Logically, what will the contractee do?
चेक करेंगे सर.
Perfect.
कितना काम हुआ है.
Perfect.
खुद कैलकुलेट.
Contractee will ideally come to the site and check. Is it correct?
Yes.
So not contractee himself, but maybe he will send some engineer or architect or someone, some expert to check how much is actually completed. Okay. So let's say contractee's person came to our site and he certified the work. As per his certificate, only 20% was complete. As per his certificate, only 20% was complete. That means work certified by that contractee is 20%. Certified. That means how much percent is still uncertified?
5%.
5%. Right. It can happen because of multiple reasons. What can be reasons? Understand carefully. Either one reason can be we are saying 25 but that expert thinks only 20%, correct?
Yes.
Or another reason can be, let's say year ends on 31st March. So it can happen that, see, that expert came to our site on 10th March. On 10th March he said that 20% is complete. But in next 20 days we finished remaining 5%. Is that also possible?
Yes.
Right. So that is why that 5% was remaining uncertified. Right. So there can be multiple reasons. But let's say contract he has certified only 20% of the work. That means he will not pay us 25 lakhs now. Can anyone tell me how much he will pay?
20%.
20%, that is 20 lakhs only. Fine.
Yes.
Right. Okay. In this situation, we think we have finished 25%, but 5% is still uncertified, 20% is certified. So he is going to pay us only for 20%. In this situation, can anyone calculate in rough and tell me how much profit should be recorded in costing P&L account? Let's see if anyone can tell me. Concentrate carefully and tell me how much profit should be recorded in costing P&L account.
Sir, 4 lakhs.
Okay, one answer is 4 lakhs. Anyone else?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. Anyone else?
Five lakhs.
5 lakhs, okay. Okay, let's see. Consider carefully. Contract T has certified only 20% work. So tell me, do we have right to receive 25% or 20% in this year?
20%.
20% only, because we have agreed that okay, contractor will come and certify the work. That means we have right to receive only 20% in this year. If we have right to receive only 20% in this year, that means what is going to be our revenue? 100 lakhs into 20%. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
But our cost is also 20 lakhs. That means should profit be zero?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Because see, 20 lakhs is the receivable amount, right? So what we'll do is we'll write we don't write sales generally. Okay. We write by work certified. I'll tell you what to do with this, but for now I write by work certified, or let me write by value of work certified. Which is 20 lakhs. But then profit is coming to be zero. What to do then?
Sir, but
Hmm?
प्रॉफिट तो मिलेगा ना, वो 20 lakhs पर भी प्रॉफिट मिलना चाहिए, I guess. Zero नहीं होगा.
But then in this P&L it shows zero profit, right? What is wrong? What to do?
सर मतलब
आवाज देते हैं का?
Yes, आवाज आ रहा है. Nikhil, you were saying what? Can you repeat?
सर 20 lakhs प्रॉफिट आहे ना, मग पुढच्या वर्षी येईल ना सर?
Sorry, profit will come in next year. So you are saying in this year there should be zero profit.
नो सर, सर कॉस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बघितलं तर प्रॉफिट येईल ना 5 लाख.
So how much should be the profit? 5 lakhs. Okay. But then can you tell me how to record it here in costing P&L account or contract account?
Sir,
Yes, Akanksha.
कॉस्ट इन्कम ते 25% साठी घेतलंय
हम्म.
ना कॉस्ट इन्कम.
ओके.
तर मग म्हणजे सर्टिफाईड जेवढं आहे तेवढीच कॉस्ट पण घेतली पाहिजे ना ज्याचा आपण प्रॉफिट घेतो.
Perfect. Okay, very good. See, this cost incurred 20 lakhs is how much percent of total cost?
25%.
25%. But that revenue we are taking is how much percent of total revenue?
20%.
20%. So there is something called as matching principle, matching concept, right?
Yes.
Is cost and revenue matching?
No.
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 If we are considering revenue of 20%, can I say we should consider cost also of 20% only?
Yes.
Right. Now understand carefully, very carefully. Let's divide that cost. Instead of 25%, let's divide that cost into 20% and 5%. Okay. Instead of writing 20 lakhs, what should I write then? 20% and 5%. How much?
4 lakh and 16 lakh.
Correct. 16 lakhs and 4 lakhs.
Yes.
So for now, let me write it like this: 16 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Now we have recorded revenue against this 16 lakhs. Is it correct?
Yes.
Both are related to current year, so we should record that revenue. Correct. But on this cost of 4 lakh rupees, do we have right to receive anything yet?
No, sir.
No, because it is uncertified. But obviously it will be certified sometime, right? In next year maybe it will be certified. That means, should this cost come to current year P&L, current year contract account?
Yes.
Where should it go, this cost? See, when is the revenue going to be recorded against this cost?
Next year.
Next year. That means cost should also go to next year then. Is that correct?
Yes.
Can I call it uncertified work? And what we can do is we'll reverse this by cost of work uncertified. Do you understand? We'll keep it in balance sheet and then we'll take it in next year as opening. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So that in next year it will go on debit side as cost. Has everyone understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now if you see, profit will be recorded correctly and this 4 lakhs was the correct answer, because check, 4 lakh is going to be cancelled. Will profit be 4 lakhs now?
Yes.
Is this 100% clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is it. I mean, this is the contract account and this is what you have to do in this chapter, entire chapter. Okay, so the chapter is very easy. Just some points now. Let's try to complicate this. Concentrate, and then we can go to year 2 also. Then we'll go to questions. Now tell me. Generally in contracts, what happens is. Ideally 20% work is certified. That means we should get how much amount right now? %20 is certified, right? So we should get how much right now?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs. But what will happen is, let's say that contractee pays us 20 lakhs. Next year, let's say he pays 40 lakhs, and in next year he pays remaining 40 lakhs. contract is completed, we give the building to him, and then he finds out that there is some fault in the building. Okay, then he finds out that there is some fault in the building. Then can I say it will be a problem for him, contractee?
Yes.
Because he has already given all the money to us. We have given him the building, but the building is faulty. What should he do to prevent this? Because now it will be very difficult to recover the money, right? So what should he do to prevent this? Any idea? If you were contractee, what will you do to prevent this? Let's say I am giving, or you all are the contractee, I am constructing the building, and I took 100 lakhs from you over 3 years, and I gave you the building, I handed it over. But then you found out that the building is not correctly constructed. There are some faults. What will you do? Or what should you do differently then here?
सर पूर्ण पेमेंट करायच्या आधीच म्हणजे लास्ट इन्स्टॉलमेंट पे करायच्या आधी मे बी चेक करून घेऊ शकतो.
Okay, that is good. Before making last payment, the contractee can check, right? Or can he do something like this?
तो मैंने
Yes.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है ना, वो अगर उसने कंप्लीट नहीं किया तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के हिसाब से भी फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं.
I agree कि that will be violation of contracts. Under Contract Act he can sue us and get the money, but that will take many years, right?
Right.
So can we do something like this, that in every payment, a contract thing from contractee's point of view, in every payment we will deduct, let's say 2% or 5% of the amount. In every payment we'll deduct 5% of the amount. We'll not pay 5%, we'll retain 5%, and we'll pay that 5% only at the end, once we are satisfied that the building is okay. Does that seem logical?
Yes.
That is called as retention money. Okay, that is called as retention money. So let's say out of this 20 lakhs, the contractee does not give us 20 lakhs right now. What the contractee does is, he keeps, let's say 2 lakhs as retention money, and he gives us only 18 lakhs rupees. We have right to receive 20 lakhs, but of that 10% is retention money, 18 lakhs is the receipt. Now can anyone tell me what should be our profit? Let's see if anyone can tell me now. Okay, so now 2 lakhs is the retention money and the contract is only giving us 18 lakhs. So one of you is saying that now the profit should only be 2 lakhs. Any other answer? What should be the profit now? Right now it is 4 lakhs.
ऐसे मतलब कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, इफ हमने वो रिटेंशन मनी कॉस्ट टिक करने से लिया है ना, तो प्रॉफिट को कुछ क्या होगा, वो 4 लाख ही रहेगा, बट वो जो कॉस्ट इनकम है वो कम हो जाएगी. बट इफ हमने वो प्रॉफिट फिर से कंसिडर किया तो प्रॉफिट 2 लाख होगा. ऐसे कर सकते हैं.
I want one final answer, 4 lakhs or 2 lakhs. What do you think? Will the profit reduce to 2 lakhs or will the profit remain same as 4 lakhs? Or will profit increase by 2 lakhs?
No increase.
Can you repeat, Akanksha?
तर इन्क्रीज तर नाही होणार.
Not increase, but reduce by 2 lakhs or stay the same? What? Anyone?
सर म्हणजे वर्क तर झाले ना 20%, राईट आहे आपला 20 lakhs.
Okay.
मे बी 4 lakhs राहिला.
Okay, you are saying we have right over 20 lakhs, so profit should remain same. Okay. Others, do you agree with her?
Yes, sir.
I think they will consider that cost incurred and profit will be reduced. Okay.
Okay, you think profit will be reduced. Okay, fine. Concentrate. We are going to get this 2 lakhs, just we are going to get it later, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. But we are going to get it. Can I say we have right to receive 20 lakhs right now, not 18 lakhs. We have right to receive 20 lakhs. The only thing is 18 lakhs will receive now and 2 lakhs will receive later.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But ideally, from accounting point of view, we should record 20 lakhs because we have right to receive 20 lakhs. And we should show 2 lakhs as receivable. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
That means will this change?
No, sir.
No, it will not change. Okay. It should remain 20 lakhs and that retention money will not change our profit. It will stay the same as 4 lakh rupees. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So up to now, we have seen some terms. Concentrate. Don't write anything till now. Contractee, contractor, estimated cost, then this 100 lakhs, we call it contract price. Then we have seen some terms called as cost of certified work and cost of uncertified work. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Then what have we done in this contract account for certified work? For certified work, understand carefully. For certified work, we showed its value on the credit side, that is revenue, so that we got profit. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have seen value of certified work. And for uncertified work, we just reversed its cost so that the effect was 0. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And we have seen one more term called as retention money. If you want, we have seen one more term called as progress payment. Progress payment means what? How much did we receive right now?
18 lakhs.
18 lakhs. That was the progress payment. Fine. So, if you understand these terms carefully, and if you understand this structure of contract account, then that's it. The entire chapter is based only on this. There is nothing else in this chapter. There is one more concept of standard costing, but we'll see that at the end. But entire chapter is based on contract account and these terms. And contract account is always going to be like this. Let me draw it again. Let's see if you have understood it very clearly. Contract account is always going to be like this for first year. We'll take all the cost here. That cost will include certified work cost also and uncertified works cost also, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For certified work, what will we record on credit side? Cost or value?
Value.
Value. To value of work certified, so that we will get profit. And for uncertified work, what are we going to record? For uncertified work, what are we going to record on credit side? Value or cost?
The cost.
Cost, because we will reverse it.
The
Yes.
five cost of work, na?
Correct. Cost of work uncertified. That means here we'll get profit from difference of these two. and from difference of these two we'll get nothing, that is zero effect, right? Reversal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
100% clear to everyone? Fine.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now let's try to go to next year, second year, and then we can go to actual questions, because actual questions are like this only, nothing else. Just concentrate. Now let's try to go to second year. So in second year is also not going to be different, it is going to be same format as this. Just let's see what we can do. Now first of all, can you tell me, second effect of this cost will go to bank account or creditor or whatever, right? Cost to bank, material to bank, wages to bank, etc. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
This item we are keeping in balance sheet so that we can reverse it in the next year. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell me where should second effect of this go ideally? That is like our sale. That is like our sale. So its second effect should go to
Asset side.
sorry, can you repeat?
Asset side.
Why asset side? It is like our sale. How do we pass entry of sale? What account debit to sales account?
Other account debit.
Okay, I don't know why I have written to. It should be by. What account debit to sales account?
Later.
Debtor to sale.
Dater. Who is our dater here?
Contract.
Contractee. So ideally should the entry be contractee's account, debit to this account?
Yes, sir.
But concentrate very carefully. Now this is again one important concept. Concentrate. Ideally that means, do you agree that this should be kept in balance sheet and this should be transferred to contractee's account?
Yes, sir.
Fine. But tell me, is this project completed yet?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So that's why what we do is, we don't transfer it to contractee's account. We don't transfer it to contractee's account. Now focus on our contract account. Let's see how we can account for this second effects. Okay, second effects. First of all, tell me, do you understand that second effect of this and this, that is going to be bank account, right? Because that is our cost. Bank or creditor or whatever. GLA account, I mean. Fine. Second effect of this is that we are just going to keep it in our balance sheet as WIP. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see what to do with this 20 lakhs. Let's try to prepare a contractee's account. Now ideally, can I say this 20 lakhs should be debited here as to contract account 20 lakhs?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Don't write anything, just understand. And then we should write by bank how much? How much? Remember the question.
18 lakhs.
18 lakhs, right? And then correct. And then by retention money 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
Okay. But what we do is, instead of taking this second effect here, we don't take it contract account. We'll show it as advance to contractee. Okay, we'll show it as advance from contractee, sorry, by bank and by retention money. That's it. And then what we'll do is, we'll balance this account, we'll keep it as it is 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. To balance carried forward 20 lakhs. And in our balance sheet, Now this 20 lakhs, where will it be shown in our balance sheet? Contractees account. Asset वापस. Asset मतलब वापस. Where will it be shown? Liabilities, because that is credit balance. We have received amount from him, right?
Yes.
So we should show it as advance from contractee, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here we'll show WIP in form of uncertified work. How much was our uncertified work?
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs. And then this is cost. And then we'll show value of certified work, which is 20 lakhs. So that this is anyway getting knocked off. Check. Correct?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Or we can subtract it from here also. Minus advance from contractee 20 lakhs. So 0. Fine. But we will show it separately till the time the contract ends. Once contract ends, then we'll transfer it to contractee's account and close everything. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes? Any doubt? Okay. Fine. Okay, this is 100% clear. Can you note it down first?
Yes.
Note down this question. Note it down properly in your language. Okay. Then we'll write the terms separately later on. But for now, note it down in such a way that you will understand it. This is only year 1 data. So note down the year 1 question first. Note it down. Those who are watching recorded, pause the video and write it. I am pausing the recording also. Okay, if done, I am scrolling down to contract account. Just again note it down. Again pause the video, note it down, then I'll scroll down. Okay, if done, then note down this contractee's account and balance sheet also, then we'll go to second year. I hope you have done all the markings and everything, so to understand conceptually what we are reversing, where we are recording profit.
Yes.
Okay, finish this, then we'll go ahead. Again, I'm pausing the screen. Okay, so now let's go to next part. Now this is very interesting and bit complicated. Second year. If you understand this, then this chapter, I mean, there is nothing difficult in this chapter. No concept. So let's understand year 2. Let's say in year 2, what was our contract price?
100 lakhs.
100 lakhs. Let's say in year 2, we incurred cost of, we have already incurred how much cost?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs, right? Let's say our total cost was how much? Estimated 80 lakhs, right? Fine.
80 lakhs. Yes.
Let's say we incur 40 lakhs cost. That means, can you tell me, according to us, how much work is completed till now? How much? 70%. Why?
So, means last time 20% हो गया और इस बार 50%.
Correct. Last time 20%. Not 20%
Yes,
actually.
और
Last time
75%.
75% is correct, because last time we have incurred 20 lakhs cost, this time we have incurred 40 lakhs cost. That means total we have incurred 60 lakhs, which is 75%, right?
Yes, 75%.
So according to us 75% is complete. But let's say that contractor certified only 70%. 70% means how much did he certify out of this? Total. Out of 80 lakhs, how much has he certified up to now? 56 lakhs cost. And in terms of value, he has certified 70 lakhs, right?
Yes.
Retention money anyway, does it matter for profit?
No.
No. So can anyone tell me in second year how much should be profit that is recorded? Just logically. Then we'll go to P&L. That is contract account.
14 lakhs.
14 lakhs. Okay, anyone else?
Yes, sir, 14 lakhs.
14 lakhs. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Anything? Akanksha, anything?
Yes, sir, 14 lakhs.
14 lakhs. Okay. Because difference between these two, right? 14 lakhs. Correct?
Yes.
But understand, out of this, 4 lakhs we have already recorded in last year, right?
Yes, sir.
That means right now only 10 lakhs should be recorded.
Yes.
Fine. Let's see how we can record it very carefully. If you understand this contract account, then like I said, there is nothing different in this chapter. And in fact, in questions they give it in a more simplified way. I have given it in a complicated way because this is how you will actually have the data. But in question they simplify it generally. Fine. So in contract account, what we do first is, we have shown some WIP last year, right? This. Can I say we have to take it to opening first?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Correct. So we write to opening, work certified. Work certified will be at cost or value?
Value.
Value. Certified.
Certified, yes.
Correct. And uncertified will be at cost, which is 20 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Clear? Fine. Then we'll record this year's cost. Now let's not bifurcate it. It does not matter. What is this year's cost total? No. This year's cost. This year's cost.
40 lakhs.
40 lakhs, right?
Only 20 lakhs.
Okay. Now let's write by closing value of certified work. You know that. What is closing value of certified work? Closing value of certified work. For certified work, that is our revenue. So we record 70 lakhs, correct? Fine. Nikhil got it, not 56.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we have to reverse what? By closing
Uncertified.
correct. Cost of uncertified work, right?
Yes.
And then we'll get profit. According to us, profit should be how much right now?
10.
10 lakhs, right? Can you think and tell me why? How much will this be and why? Think and tell me. You have to think very carefully. You have to consider last year data also maybe. So, how much cost is uncertified at the end?
So, so I will rejoin in 5 minutes.
Yeah, okay, sure.
6 lakhs, sir.
6 lakhs, okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Okay, can anyone tell me?
Sir,
Yes?
cost आता 40 lakh आहे ना.
Cost of this year is 40 lakhs, so
आणि त्याच्यातलं 70% सर्टिफाईड आहे.
70% of total is certified, right?
हां बरोबर.
Understand, this is total, okay, at the end, or cumulative. Okay.
सर मग ते लास्ट इयरचं कॅरी फॉरवर्ड केलेलं आपण अनसर्टिफाईडचं त्याचं काय करायचं?
Okay, last year whatever we carried forward this 4 lakhs, that also we have debited, and this 40 lakhs also we have debited, because that 4 lakh was this year's cost we were saying, right, plus this 40 lakhs. But of that, now whatever is uncertified we'll send it to even next year, third year.
Sir, 8 lakh.
8 lakhs, okay. Okay, concentrate. Tell me, what is the total cost that we have incurred till now? Total cost that we have incurred. Forget about certified, uncertified. Incurred.
3 lakh.
Sorry, how much? Can you repeat?
60 lakh.
60 lakhs. Does
60.
everyone agree? 60 lakhs. Fine. Of 60 lakhs, how much is certified cost?
70%.
No, that was 70% of total, Akanksha, right? So, how much amount is certified? Forget about percentage. Let's have directly given you these figures. Then can you tell me how much amount is certified till now? Cost?
56 lakhs.
56 lakhs. Out of how much that we have incurred? 60 lakhs. That means how much is still uncertified?
4 lakh.
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
So can I say we should reverse 4 lakhs again?
Yes, sir.
Right. If we reverse 4 lakhs, check if we are getting profit of 10 lakhs. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
That is what is logical, right? That is what we should have got. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
If you have
like
any doubt, ask me. Yes?
सर सेकंड इयरचं थोडंसं रिपीट करा ना.
Okay. In second year,
sir.
let's concentrate. Let's understand it again. Concentrate. In second year, we incurred 40 lakhs extra cost. Just a second. Okay, so let's repeat second year. In second year, what we have done is we have incurred 40 lakhs extra cost now. By the end of second year, total 70 lakhs was certified. Total 70 lakhs was certified, out of which Something was already certified in last year. What? Tell me. 20 lakhs was already certified in last year, right? 20 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
So just remaining 50 lakhs, that person certified now. Okay, fine. That means corresponding cost will be 56 lakhs then, certified cost. Is it correct?
Yes.
Fine. That means, understand, by the end of year 2, forget about this cost and everything, but by the end of year 2, we should have recorded profit of 14 lakhs in total. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
This is all total. This is not of year 2 only. This is year 1 plus year 2. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now let's think only about year 2. Now in year 2, first of all, we reverse these two, correct?
Right.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then current year's cost is 40 lakhs, so we'll write it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will write closing balance. Now at closing, at year end, 70 lakhs total is certified. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. And at year end, total 56 lakhs cost is of certified work. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the cost of certified work. Fine. But how much is the cost that we have paid till now? Total cost. Don't think about certified and uncertified. What is total cost that we have incurred till now? Total.
Total cost is 56, right?
Total cost that we have incurred till now. Is it 60? Because in last year we incurred 20 lakhs and this year we incurred 40 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Total.
So total cost of 60 lakhs, out of that 56 is certified. That means, can I say 4 lakhs is still uncertified?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. That is why we are getting that profit of 10 lakhs. You can think about it like this also. Now you'll have to concentrate very carefully. I'm explaining it by different logic, so concentrate. You can think of it like this also. This 20 lakhs, we have already recorded profit on this, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we just took it to opening and then we took it to closing also. Okay. So that was reversed and closed, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then this was last year's cost which was uncertified and this is current year's cost. So that means up to now we have incurred 44 lakhs of cost on which we have not recorded any profit. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But out of that 4 lakhs is anyway uncertified, so we'll reverse it.
Right.
And on remaining we'll reverse the value so that we'll get profit. Again the concept is same as first year, understand? Some will be profit portion, some will be reversal portion.
Yes, sir.
One more way that you can understand is concentrate. What was our total contract price? What was our total contract price? 100 lakhs. What was our total cost estimated?
80 lakhs.
80 lakhs. So what is our total profit estimated?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs. In first year, how much work was certified? Value, rupees?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs, right? So can you cross multiply and check if we are getting correct profit in first year of 4 lakh rupees? This is 20%, right? So just check if 20% is 4 lakhs.
Yes, 4 lakhs.
In year 2, at the end of year 2, how much work was certified? Value.
40.
How much work was certified? at the end of year 2?
70 lakhs.
70 lakhs. That means in this year 50 lakhs was certified, so that total is 70 lakhs, correct? Okay, so that means, can I say total 70 lakhs? That means in this year 50 lakhs was extra work certified. Is it correct? Can you check if 20% of that is 10 lakhs now? %, profit is 10 lakhs, which is what we recorded. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Understand once again. Now one question was, Nikhil is saying that this 4 lakhs is this 4 lakhs. Is that correct? Is that correct? I mean, is that correct? No, it is not correct. Understand? This 4 lakhs was uncertified in last year. So it would have got certified in current year. And of current year cost, 4 lakh is again uncertified, which is what we have reversed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is like FIFO.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
So it's like FIFO. 4 lakhs was uncertified, we transferred it. Just like exactly what we did in process costing. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is exactly what we did in process costing, just that we are not considering equivalent units or anything. We are just taking previous year's WIP, then we are adding current year cost, and we are transferring it over transfer to next, certified work and uncertified work. Got it? Clear?
So,
Yes?
so but I am still confused in that how that 70 lakhs is divided.
How that 70 lakhs is divided into 20 and 50? This?
Yes.
Okay, that I just wrote for explanation. Understand? That 70 lakhs is work certified, I agree. But out of that 70 lakhs, can I say 20 lakhs was already certified and 50 lakhs was certified in this year?
Okay, yes, sir.
Right. Whatever was already certified, we have already recorded the profit, so we just reversed it, correct?
Right.
And whatever was certified in this year, 50 lakhs, we recorded profit on that 20%, which is 10 lakhs. Check.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Fine. I understand that this concept is complicated, but if you understand this contract account and why we do the entries, then this entire chapter is very easy. Generally in exam, it always comes for 10 marks. Process or contract or both. Generally always comes for 10 marks. So it is bonus marks because every question is same. Okay, fine. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Can you note it down? Note down the question. Again, I am pausing the video. Then I will scroll down and can note down the contract account. Okay, the questions in exam are actually given in much simpler form. I am giving it from root level. So in exam they don't do it like this. They directly give you the figures. This is uncertified work at the year end. This is certified work at the year end. You just have to write it in the contract account. So it is very easy. But in reality, no one will give you the figures. Right? This is what we are understanding from root level. In exam, it is not going to be like this. The questions are very easy. The questions are nothing actually for contract account. Very, very simple chapter. Okay. Let me know when done noting down the question. See, Nikhil, that opening work uncertified 4 lakhs. That is like opening cost. Then current cost is 40 lakhs. So total cost is 44 lakhs now. Of that 4 lakhs is uncertified. That again at the year end. That 4 lakhs is not this 4 lakhs. That 4 lakhs is different. That is closing work uncertified. Correct? Maybe we should have taken some different percentage so that would not have been confused. Done noting the question?
Okay.
Note down the contract account also.
Yes, sir, done.
Let me know when done. I'm pausing the video. Okay, then let's prepare contractees account also for this year and balance sheet, and then I'll give you some homework. In contractees account, if you remember, there was 20 lakhs balance as advance, correct?
Yes.
That 20 lakhs we should write it as opening balance. Now again, understand very carefully. How much has he certified up to now? Value. Now in terms of contract price, how much has he certified up to now? 70 lakhs. Of that, something was already certified in last year. How much?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs. That means in this year he has certified 50 lakhs. So that is what we should add here, right? 50 lakhs now. Correct?
Yes.
But he will not pay entire 50 lakhs. He was going to retain 10%. That means retention money will be how much?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs, and by bank will be how much?
45.
45 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
Will total be 70 lakhs?
Yes.
Will that match if you check in contract account? That should match with our certified work. If you check in contract account, because that will knock off in balance sheet now. In WIP, how much will we show as uncertified work cost? From contract account check. 4 lakhs is correct. And how much will we show as work certified value from contract account? 70 lakhs. Does everyone agree? Is this clear to all? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now this was complicated, I agree. Okay, I don't know why video is lagging. I'll turn off my camera for a few minutes. Okay, now I agree that this was a bit complicated. But as homework, can you go through this and can you try to prepare contract account for year 3 by yourself?
Yes.
Yes.
Now understand what will happen in year 3, then we can stop for today and take homework. What was our total estimated cost? Total
100 lakhs.
cost 80 lakhs.
80 lakhs.
Of which how much did we incur in first year? 20. Second year 40. So total 60 lakhs we have already incurred. That means 20 lakhs is remaining for last year. Is it correct?
Yes.
Fine. So recording all that, and now obviously in last year everything will be certified, right? At the end. So assuming that everything is certified at the year end and the contract is closed. Can you by yourself try to make contract account for third year?
Yes, sir.
But for that you will have to go through year 1 and year 2 and understand again, try to understand by yourself logically again. Okay, I hope everyone can do that.
Yes.
Fine, good. If yes, then we'll stop here for today. Year 3 is homework. Let's see how many of you can get perfect year 3 contract account. And if you have understood this, even if you just go through the questions, every question is same. You just have to prepare contract account, nothing else. And in fact, questions are very simple. They are not as complicated as this example, because in question they already give you everything. You just have to write it in the contract account. That's it. Okay, so very easy. Fine. So let's stop for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Compulsory do the homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Bye everyone. Let's stop.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye.